Mactus Automation presents Intervention Recording System (IRS). The manufacture of sterile products calls for good facility design and constant controls on process-critical steps. This is to ensure sterility and to protect each and every unit being produced from microbial contaminations. Global regulations expect firms to adhere to number of monitoring and controls over personnel working in aseptic manufacturing area, as operators or staff working in clean rooms are mobile contamination generators. Global regulations expect minimal personnel intervention to minimize risk to finished product sterility and require that written procedures regarding aseptic intervention should be clear and specific, providing for consistent production practices. Performing product sampling, weight or volume adjustments, charging of stoppers, aluminum seals and so on during the batch are inherent or routine interventions. Adjusting guides or tracks or star wheel. Adjustment of stopper ball or chute. Breakdown handling, removing jammed or broken units, fallen wires and so on are non-routine or exceptional interventions. An extensive intervention can cause contamination risk. Line stoppages and any unplanned interventions should be sufficiently documented in the batch record with the associated time and duration of the event for process consistency and improvements. Most of the companies use manual recording procedures which may be unreliable. Because events could be missed or intervention may not record correctly and batch record can close any time, very little control, comparison across batches difficulties, no overview possible, etc. Mactus Intervention Recording System (IRS) provides a solution to these shortcomings. Mactus IRS is a touchscreen-based IPC application interconnected with digital signals from the filling machine to track the filling machine door open and close status, glove port engagement status, and filling machine on and off status. When an interruption is detected, IRS application displays suitable intervention list from which operator will choose the applicable intervention before proceeding further. When operator chooses the corresponding intervention, it is recorded with details of time and duration. This ensures consistency in recording and no intervention is missed. Mactus IRS generates non-editable PDF reports at the end of the batch. Features: touch-based data recording. Facility not to close batch unless all interventions are detailed. Multiple interventions recording for single door open event. CFR 21 Part 11 compliance including Alcoa expectations of all data generated. Analytics. Data can be viewed and trended by line, batch, operator, and other parameters for process improvements. Real-time monitoring of interbatch and intrabatch processes to ensure ongoing control. Flexibility. Intervention lists and number of allowable interventions are completely configurable. Configure intervention list by type, product, and batch phases. Tracking of empty vials removed are configurable options. Reminder for finger dab can be configured. Architecture. Client-server architecture renders itself for scaling from one process to several lines and units. Industry-standard computing infrastructure allows views available on PC and mobile device through LAN or web. Mactus IRS is a state-of-the-art offering designed with the operators, quality and production managers in mind to ensure peace of mind through consistent process control and stringent intervention recording by intelligent use of technology.